Good morning, Mia. It is time to get ready for school.
Mom, I do not feel very well today.
What is wrong, sweetheart? Can you tell me?
My head hurts, and my throat hurts too.
Oh, your forehead feels very warm. I think you have a fever.
I feel tired. I do not want to go to school.
Do not worry. You can stay home today. I will call the doctor. Good morning. This is Bright Harbor Clinic. How can I help you? Good morning. My daughter is not feeling well. Can we make an appointment for today? Of course. What are her symptoms? She has a headache, a sore throat, and a fever. I understand. We have an opening at 11 o'clock this morning. Does that work for you? Yes, that is perfect. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Please bring her insurance card with you. I will. Thank you. See you soon.
How is she feeling?
Not very good. She has a fever. I made an appointment for 11 o'clock.
I can drive you both there. Lucas can go to school with our neighbor today.
Thank you, Daniel. That would be a big help. Good morning, Daniel. Is everything okay?
Good morning, Mrs. Kim. Mia is not feeling well. Could Lucas ride to school with your children today?
Oh, I'm sorry. Of course. We are happy to help. Lucas can walk over whenever he is ready.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
It is no problem at all. I hope Mia feels better soon.
Mom, I do not like doctors. I am a little scared.
I understand, sweetheart, but the doctor only wants to help you feel better. Good morning. Do you have an appointment? Yes, my name is Emma. My daughter has an 11 o'clock appointment. Let me check. Yes, here it is. Please have a seat. The doctor will call you soon. Thank you.
Mom, why are all these people here?
They are here to see the doctor too, just like us. Everyone needs help sometimes. Mia, the doctor is ready for you now. Hello, Mia. My name is Dr. Lee. How are you feeling today?
Not very good. My head hurts and my throat hurts too.
She's been feeling under the weather. I see. Let's take a look. I am sorry to hear that. Let me take a look at you. Can you open your mouth and say ah?
Ah.
Good job. Now I am going to check your temperature. This will not hurt. Okay, your temperature is a little high. You have a small fever.
Oh,
Now let me listen to your chest. Can you take a deep breath for me?
okay.
Good job. Very good. Your breathing sounds clear. That is good news. Does your throat hurt when you swallow?
Yes, a little bit, especially when I drink cold water.
I see a little redness in your throat. That explains the pain. Is it serious, doctor? No, do not worry. It looks like a common cold. Her body is fighting a small infection. She needs rest and plenty of water.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, I will give you some medicine to help you feel better. It will help with your throat and your fever. How many days should she stay home from school? I recommend she stays home for 2 or 3 days. Give her plenty of rest and warm liquids like tea or soup. Thank you, doctor. We will do that. Here is a prescription for the medicine. You can get it at the pharmacy. If she is not feeling better in 3 days, please come back and see me. Thank you very much, doctor. We really appreciate your help. You are welcome. Feel better soon, Mia.
Thank you, doctor.
How did it go?
The doctor says it is just a small cold. She needs medicine and rest.
Good. Let us go to the pharmacy now. Good afternoon. How can I help you? Good afternoon. We have a prescription from Dr. Lee. Of course. May I see it, please? Here you go. Thank you. I'll get this ready. Okay, this is medicine for a cold and a sore throat. Please wait a few minutes while I prepare it.
Thank you.
Mom, what are all these things?
Those are different medicines and vitamins. This is a place where people buy things to help them feel better.
That's right. See, Mia? Lots of things to help.
Wow.
Here's your medicine. Take 1 spoon 3 times a day after meals.
Thank you. How much does it cost?
That will be $12, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. And remember, if the fever gets worse, please call the doctor.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your medicine, sweetheart. 1 spoon, just like the pharmacist said.
It tastes a little strange, but okay.
Good girl. Now let us get you some warm tea and a soft blanket.
Okay, Mommy. Thank you, Mom.
I brought you some warm tea and a soft blanket.
Thank you, Mom.
I am glad. Just rest now. I will check on you soon.
Hi, Mia. Mom told me you are not feeling well.
Yes, I have a cold. I stayed home today.
I am sorry you are sick. Do you want me to read you a story?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Okay. Once upon a time, Mr. Bear went on an adventure.
He's so brave.
How do you feel now, Mia?
A little better than this morning.
That is good news. The medicine is helping. You will feel much better soon.
Yes, and remember, we have another appointment in 3 days if you are not feeling completely better.
Okay. Okay, Mom. Thank you for taking care of me.
Of course, sweetheart. That is what family is for.
Mom, I feel much better today.
That is wonderful news. The medicine and the rest really helped.
See? A little rest, some medicine, and lots of love can help anyone feel better.
Good morning, City Health Clinic. How can I help you? Good morning. I am calling to give an update about my daughter, Mia. Dr. Lee asked us to call if she was still sick after 3 days. Of course. How is she feeling now? She is feeling much better. Her fever is gone and her throat does not hurt anymore.
Yay!
That is wonderful news. I will let the doctor know. If anything changes, please call us again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too. Take care.
I am so happy to feel better. Thank you, everyone, for taking care of me.
We are always here for you, Mia. That is what a family does.
I'm going back to school.
That's our girl.
We're so proud of you, Mia. I feel healthy and strong again.
Have a great day.